In this exercise, we'll translate a sentence to a percent equation, and then we'll solve the equation. The sentence that we're translating is, what is 40% of 55? And let's just do the translation from this question right here. Let's let the amount that we're trying to find, or the number that we're trying to find, be A. So we'll say that A is, which translates to equals, 40% of translates to multiplication, and then we have 55. So we have the percent equation, A equals 40% times 55. And to solve this equation, we would write 40% in decimal notation, which is 0.4, and we'll multiply that times 55. And when we do the multiplication, we get the number 22. So the solution to the equation is 22.